and welcome back to Emma Art Time. Today I'm going to use pipe cleaners to make a Christmas tree. Let's get started. To make a Christmas tree, first we'll start by using a paper and make a cone shape. So the bottom of the cone should not be bigger than your base. Then we're going to take a pipe cleaner and we're going to fold it in half. And we're going to cut it in half. Then we're going to fold this in half again. And we are going to cut in the middle. And we'll repeat the same by folding it in half again. Okay, so each pipe cleaner will make, okay, let's see how many. 8 pieces out of one pipe cleaner. So we have 8 same size pieces cut from one pipe cleaner, and then we're going to take one and fold it in half like that. So then later on we're going to stick these leaves onto the cone. So we're gonna fold them all in half. You see I've made a bunch of leaves already. So I'm gonna just use different shades of green to make different leaves. Next, let's take a yellow pipe cleaner and we're going to fold it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're gonna fold it one more time and cut it right there. So we're making the star on top of the tree. We're gonna pull them apart, and there, that's a star. See the shape? And we're just gonna make these two. We're going to use a glue gun to glue this part and this part together, so it holds together there, and then we're going to put it on top of the tree. So now we take the leaves and then we apply hot glue on the end, and we're going to press it against the cone that we just made. So make sure when you use a glue gun, don't touch the glue because it's really hot. The paper that I use to make these make this cone is pretty hard. So when you press the leaf against the cone, it actually won't bend. So it's easier for you to stick these pipe cleaner leaves on the cone. So don't use a paper that is too soft. You can use cardstock paper, which will be perfect for this purpose. So we are going to use the same shade of green on each level. And then when we do a new layer, we're going to use a different shade. Now let's take a red and a white pipe cleaner and wrap them together, twist them together to make a candy cane. And finally, let's add some decorations to the Christmas tree. First, I'm going to stick that candy cane that we just made to the tree. Be very careful, don't touch the hot glue. Right there. Okay, we're going to adjust the shape of the tree by twisting the leaves. Going to make it more fluffy by slightly bending the end of the leaves, just like how you adjust your artificial Christmas tree every year you take them out from storage. There, and then I have these pearls. I'm going to stick them on. There, that's how to make a Christmas tree using pipe cleaners. I hope you enjoyed making this with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Merry Christmas!